This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Robin Aggers. What a private little cozy home on the hill. Walk into this open concept home and feel the love. The living room, dining room, and kitchen all flow very nicely together with new hardwood floors and fresh paint. Off the kitchen is a laundry room and pantry for extra storage. Both bedrooms offer plenty of space with a nice closets and lots of natural lighting. Off master suite is a wrap-around deck that leads to the backyard that has a covered patio and is fully fenced for your furry friends. The gentle slope keeps water away from the home. The roof is less than 6 years young, the HVAC and water heater as well. Plus the seller is offering a home warranty. This home was built in 1960, but it is a strong solid home with more potential for a new home owner. Great location too. For more information, review the details below or contact Robin Aggers at 865-966-1111.